Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram music not available in your region. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Once logged in, try to add music to your post or story. If Instagram says that music is not available in your region, don't worry, there's a simple fix. You can use a VPN to change your region and access the music. Alternatively, you can change the region in your Instagram settings. Go to your Instagram account and change the region to one where music is available. After that, you can add the music to your post or story. Once you've done that, feel free to switch your region back to the original one. This method should allow you to access music in regions where it is otherwise unavailable. So that's basically how you can fix Instagram music not being available in your region. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.